must be all wore out there. Every one of them's eating.
Everybody ready?
Yeah. Horses are eating.
Yeehaw! Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on.
He's not ready.
Forgot that brownie again ready.
That's how they do the movie. They pump them. I can't get him pumped up.
Filming that.
Filming my face. Oh, you want the water?
He probably won't drink that water.
Oh, there's more water up in top of the top.
We'd like to hear a little more talking out of you today and narration.
Well, let's see. Will this lady get this horse in that water? I don't think so.
Jack is watching his horse.
Virginia down there convincing him he's a foxtrot. You can go anywhere. Yeah, not down there.
When I got him, he was like that. You know, I took him out on the trail. He had never seen anything like that. He wasn't about to go in there. And I kept talking to him and talking sometimes. Went on to get him.
How old is he? Oh, this is right.
He's over. He's just right.
Virginia, right up here.
He's got the right age on him. He's got all the food out of him. He's not interested.
Whoa. Whoa, boy.
Oh, Tonto?
Whoa. Does that look like a Tonto? That looks like a Tarzan. Yeah, Ken Maynard's horse Tarzan. I sure like that Ken Maynard.
Who?
Ken Maynard.
Who's that?
And his horse Tarzan. One of them old westerns that they made.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
Oh man, that's a great horse. He's a great horse. He could do everything. He could do more than Roy Rogers could do. One time the bandits was after him. I mean, he was running this horse down the trail, and them bandits was hot after him, shooting at him. He'd lay him down on his horse, and he laid down on his horse, tuck his girts and everything loose, still ride that horse. When he seen this corral down there, a barn, and he just jumped those Tarzan right into that corral. As Tarzan was in midair right there, he pinned the saddle and just bailed off. Tarzan just run right into the stall. He hit under the corral with his guns, and they just went on by.
What has he been drinking?
He could whistle at old Tarzan, and he'd run out there and he'd throw that saddle on him and jump over that corral fence, and away they go. Nobody can catch him.
And Bill's been looking for a horse like that ever since.
Well, I thought that one gray horse.
He finally gave up and found Brownie.
I saw a moose up this morning, so I was going to tell him what he did. Whatever they are.
Brownie will lead him over that big elf will start winking at Bill.
Remember all these old-time cowboy movies and everything that he sees. But the important thing, I can't remember.
The important thing, I see a whole lot.
Any excellent trail horse should work a gait.
Should
And,
be able to open that gate.
I will attempt here to demonstrate how an excellent trail horse should work a gait.
Do it, Brownie. Do it, Brownie.
Dance around block.
Hey, it's locked. Oh, you gonna get over and unlock it.
Since
No, the
an
horses.
Excellent trail horses. Get your butt over there.
Reach down there and unlock it, Cincy, while you're there, would you? Now.
And as you can see, this is not an excellent trail horse. I can't even get the damn
Neither
gate
did the
open.
old boy that's trying to unlock the gate.
I about nailed it shut. There's one nail. I'll teach that forest ranger. There's two nails.
They nailed it shut.
I pulled one nail out. Come on. Excellent. Put your gate open.
Yay!
Yeah, glad.
First time, not bad. Usually I take
cameraman
the
has to
45
shut,
and just
right?
blow them down.
Now the last one through does. That's you.
We're gonna work the gate from the other side. Come on.
We don't need no cows in with our elephants.
Very good. Very good. How about that?
Put the nail back.
He took the nail. That saddle's falling off.
There's still one nail in there.
Come on, Jeff.
That's good enough.
And we can't get it. Come on, Jeffrey. Whoa. You had it. You had it. You had it. I could have done it.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get that chain over that fence.
I've got to teach this horse how to tie things.
Yeah, I'm learning from you. I watched you up here, and I thought I could get this thing down. Whoa. You jackass. So if I keep this up, my saddle's gonna be on the ground. Oh, let the
Well, keep doing it.
My nose is running. Come on. Whoa. There. It didn't stay. There's no nail there. I can't get it on. What do you say?
I don't know. Tape wasn't running.
This is the truck route, and that's the scenic trail. This is the truck route, and that's the scenic trail.
You ought to turn the camera off when I kiss at you.